Now I have taken a similar kind of problem, and this problem is taken from S.L. Arora, the book of S.L. Arora. This is your given figure, and you need to find the equivalent capacitance. So, this is a figure, and let us draw the figure. Let this be P and Q. We need to equivalent capacitance between P and Q. Second, we will number the plate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us join these. So, 1 and 6 are joined. 1 and 6 are joined, and P is here between P. And 2, 3, 4, 5 are joined. So, 2, 3, 4, 5 are joined. So, 2, 3, 4, 5 are joined, and so next point is so you have to find equivalent capacitance between P and Q. So, P and Q are clearly shown here. So, let us put some charge. So, this is be plus and this is be minus. So, it has to be plus because supplied with connected with the source. So, plus, and all 1 and 6 are plus. So, 1 is plus and 6 is also plus, and 2, 3, 4, 5 minus, that means 2 is also minus, 3 is also minus, 4 is also minus, 5 is also minus. So, 2 minus, 3 minus, 4 minus, 5 minus. So, 2 negative plate will never constitute a capacitor. So, this can be ignored. So, you can say that 2, 5 are same point, because this capacitor is out of again a conductor is connected in parallel with a capacitor. So, this is meaningless. So, it will go out of our calculation. So, from point P to ends coming. So, let this be P, and if this is P, two plates are coming. One is from P we can see one is 1 and other one is 6. So, it is 1 plate and plate number 6, and for Q, two plates are coming, 2 and 5. This from 2 from Q, 2 and 5. So, 2 and 5 opposite to 6. So, 2 and 5 are connected to Q, 2 and 5 are connected to Q, and let us see, 1 has positive charge, 2 must be negative, 2 negative, and 6 has also positive, 6 has positive, and 5 has to be negative, 5 has to be negative. So, two capacitors C and C joined are in parallel. So, equivalent capacitance has to be C equivalent has to be, when two capacitors C and C are in parallel, it has to be 2C. So, your 2C will be your result. So, this is the problem from your very well known book of all of you, S.L. Arora, book of S.L. Arora, and this is the problem which was asked in CPMT, that is in medical, and our result is 2C, and they have solved in some different way. That is epsilon A by D, answer is your, you can clearly see the answer, 2C is your answer, and since C is epsilon naught A by D, so in place of C they have written epsilon naught A by D multiplied by 2 times, so, and we 2 also reach the same result, but we did it in a different way, we did in our own way. So, again I will solve some, again I will choose some problem related to this kind of arrangement. Okay. So, view carefully, listen every word, how the plates are arranged, and if you solve few more problems related to this, you can be a master over these kind of problems. Clear?